Hi, I'm Tom, and in this video I will show you how to extract elements from an IFC file using Bonsai BIM. Using this software, you've got great control over which elements will be extracted to a new IFC file. So you might extract, for instance, just the walls, or maybe just all load-bearing elements, or maybe just HVAC elements, or maybe just HVAC elements from one system. You've got great control over which class, which attributes, or which properties the extracted elements should have. So I've got this single IFC file which contains all of the different elements like walls, furniture, slabs, etc. And let's say I want to work with my structural engineer, so I want to extract just the load-bearing walls and slabs. To extract elements from the current IFC file, you have to go to the Quantity and Coordination tab here and open the Patch options. Patch includes recipes, which are scripts which help you with working with IFC files. They are very useful. And we will use the ExtractElements recipe. And because we want to extract elements from this open file, we will choose load from memory, and this line will then disappear because this is the input IFC, so we will load from memory. Here I will choose the destination of where the output should be, so I will go to Documents, and first I will name it walls .ifc, the new file, and select it as an output. And here is the query which selects what will be extracted from the file. IFC wall is pre-typed here, which means that all IFC wall class elements will be extracted. So let's try with this one. I will execute the IFC patch, and it runs and it tells me that it has been executed successfully. And now I'm in my IFC viewer, BIM Vision, so I will open the walls IFC file, the extracted one, and you can see that only the wall classes were extracted into a completely new IFC file, walls.ifc. So now I'm back in Bonsai BIM and I want to extract walls and slabs. So I will write here IFC wall, IFC slab. So that's the query. And I will change the name of the file walls slabs, the extracted file. And I will execute the patch again. Now I will switch back to the IFC viewer and open the walls and slabs IFC file. And you can see that both walls and slabs were extracted, and there are no doors, no windows, etc. So this is how you select how to extract which classes to extract. But usually we want to extract classes based on some attributes or properties. So if I look at this wall, as I'm sending this to the structural engineer, I would want to extract just the load-bearing elements. So this one has pset underscore wall common. Load bearing is set to true. If I hide it, let's say this wall, this is the internal wall, so this one has load bearing set to false. So how do I select all load bearing walls? I have to know the pset, this property set name, and also the property name, and if I want it to be true or false. So I will go back to my specification. Here again I will change the name of the file to load bearing, and here I will write comma, Now the property set name, so pset underscore wall common. And now dot, the dot separates the property set and the property name. And the property name is load bearing. And I want it to be this property to be true. So I will write equal and I will write true. Okay, so this is the syntax. And now I will execute the patch again. Here I've got information that it has been executed successfully. Here I will open the file, the IFC file, and you can see that only the load-bearing walls were extracted, not the slabs, because we were filtering based on this property set, and IFC slabs, which are load bearing. I'm not sure if this one. If I choose the slab, the load bearing information is in this property set, pset slab common. So here we've got only load bearing walls, which is nice. But we want to have all load-bearing elements from the classes IFC wall and IFC slab. So how do we do that? I could create a new filter named pset underscore slab common dot load bearing equals true, another one. But it's much easier to change this wall to a syntax which will replace any pset underscore something common property set. So then for columns, for other elements, roofs, I wouldn't have to write down each pset separately. And to replace the text here with any possible string with any length, I will write dot star here, but I also have to add this pset something common into slashes. So I will write slash behind and slash in front of it. So this is the syntax. And now if I execute the IFC patch, it's executed successfully. And now I will open it in my IFC viewer. It's this one. And here you can see that the load-bearing walls and also slabs, you can see it here. This one is load-bearing, and also this slab is slab common. It's load-bearing, yes. So all of the load-bearing walls and slabs were extracted from my original file. So this is how you can filter the output to see useful examples of the syntax here. You can check out the IfcOpenShell selector syntax page where these useful examples are provided, where you can see how this syntax works. So I will link to this page in the description box below. So this is how you can extract elements from an IFC file using Bonsai BIM. I'm using version Bonsai 0.8. If you are using Bonsai BIM in your professional capacity, consider supporting it. I will link to the support page in the description box below. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.